Hey everyone, Sam Battersby here with Griot's Garage, and I'm excited to introduce you to Multi-Purpose Citrus Cleaner, part of our adventure line. Whether you're hitting the road in your RV or cruising the waves on your boat, space is limited, and the last thing you need is an armory of single-use cleaners. This delimonene-powered, ready-to-use solution is your go-to for tackling anything from black streaks and bug splatter to engine grease and stubborn carpet stains. This cleaner handles it all. The 35-ounce size is pre-diluted at 4:1 and ready to use for maximum power. No mixing or no measuring required, just spray and wipe. When you need to refill your 35-ounce spray bottle, we sell a gallon of concentrate that you can dilute to your preference according to our dilution table on the label. The concentrate can be diluted at 3 different levels: 4:1 for heavy-duty degreasing and cleaning power, 10:1 for lighter-duty jobs like interior stains or carpet soiling, and 20:1 for light-duty cleaning like general wipe downs and light residue removal. Its non-caustic, non-foaming formula means less scrubbing and less mess, so you can clean faster and more efficiently without worrying about damaging any surfaces. This cleaner is safe on just about everything, including fiberglass, FRP, gel coat, clear coat, chrome, plastic, rubber, LVP, laminate, glass, you name it. So whether you're tackling tough exterior grime or refreshing the inside of your RV or boat, this one bottle does it all. A little pro tip for you: dirt and grime buildup on your RV's rubber or PVC roof can trap moisture, leading to nasty mold, mildew, and even black streaks running down the sides of your rig. It could even lead to roof membrane damage if it goes unattended to. Use our boar's hair wash brush and telescoping pole with your multi-purpose citrus cleaner diluted at 4:1 or in the ready-to-use 35 to keep that roof spotless and your investment protected. Make room for the most versatile cleaner in your arsenal. Multi-purpose citrus cleaner, your go-to solution for a clean you can see and smell. We hope you found this video helpful and plan to try out multi-purpose citrus cleaner for yourself. Thank you for watching, and as always, have fun in your garage.